Hello, today I want to talk a little bit about positive affirmations. Now, positive affirmations are positive statements that make us think in motivating ways. Now, they could be anything you like, but I've got a few as an example for you, and you could say them in the mirror, you could say them before you go to bed, you could say them when you get up in the morning. And the secret to these is that if we ask our minds to think about certain things, we're more likely to look for those things when we see them in the real world. So what I mean by that is, if one affirmation is, today will be a great day, and we keep saying that, today will be a great day, we're more likely to notice all of those things that make today a great day. Other examples of positive affirmations are, all my problems have solutions. All my problems have solutions. That's a lovely one because that reminds us to go out looking for them as well. And another one that I really like is, I have courage and confidence. I have courage and confidence, and that helps me stand tall and really face whatever's coming towards me. Now, parents, adults, you can have some of these too. One of my favourites is, my time and energy are valuable resources and I spend them wisely. And my second one is, you can't save people from themselves. So have a positive day and do repeat those affirmations. Bye for now.